kind of at home now. Haven't been working or anything. Kind of quarantined myself here at the house, so I figured I'd start doing a couple more videos. I got the rear shocks on this here. I don't know if I'm going to like the short shocks on it yet or not. I put the fronts on. I ran into a problem though. It kind of like, well, I put one front on, I guess. I didn't make any bother. But I realized it's got to bottom out real quick. It would like sit right on the servo. So I guess I'm going to have to look at what I need to do to make that not happen. There's this brace right here. I'm going to try removing that brace and see what happens. And then I maybe have to relocate the brace somewhere to make this work. This is a modified Redcat E10. I put the axial frame rails on it. Short shocks off the axial. I got a brushless motor on it. Stainless steel screws over about 90% of it. Good for now. The other front wheel on. Put this nut over. Alright, so the back's got 3/4 of an inch. Front's not got near as much. I'll have to look into that. Thing is, it looks like it's still got nice twist. You don't really need travel for a rock crawler. You're not going fast. That's a decent twist right there. Oh yeah. It might actually work pretty good. That sets that servo down in here, but everything will work fine there. Let's put the front bumper mount back on. Won't just be a booger to get now with tires on it. That should be alright. Twist the tire. Put that bumper in upside down. That's better. Screwing in there now. I need to get some set screws for my axles. I got aluminum axles for the rear, for the front and rear. I don't know if I'll bother changing the front right off because the front is working good right now. But I need to get some let me get this in. Yeah, I need to get the rear axle on yet. I need to get some more of these put in there so that it'll keep it on. Overall, the truck's coming together pretty good. So that's way lower than it did when I first got this thing. It was up here. Eventually I'll probably change the tires, but I'm not looking to do that right yet. I want to see how it does with the bigger tires on it. Still can't believe the travel it's got, even though it don't have a lot of suspension travel. I have no idea if that'll hurt it or not. Since you're creeping on the trails, it should be fine. This thing's got a 4-pole 1410 Castle brushless motor. This is the SCT controller. Now I might get on to a couple of my other projects too, since I don't have nothing else to do but come down here and work on my trucks. Like I said, I'm not working right now. It's going to be a couple weeks before I do that. Staying at home, staying in the house. Really don't like to go out for anything at this time. Guess that'll be all for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Well, that don't sound real well. I'll be putting out more videos as the days go by here. Probably get back on my Revo, get that finished up. Changed the block on that guy, and I never did get a chance to put the motor back in. Been busy with other things, and then this all happens, and I suddenly free and got lots of time, so looks like I'll be doing this more often. Which I don't mind doing this. This is fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.